Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony INZONE H7 wireless headphones. These are WH-G700 headphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not connecting to your device or not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, if they keep disconnecting, you're having sound issues, anything like that where they're not working properly, can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to need to set them up again because everything will be wiped off of them, the pairing history and everything, back to the initial settings that they came out of the box with. And that's the second reason you might want to do it. If you're setting them up on a new device or whatever, and you just want to get a fresh start, we can do that really simply. All we need to do is make sure, first of all, that they are not plugged into the charger and they are turned off. That's how we're going to start this. Not plugged into the charger, turned off. Once we do that, we're going to come in and just press and hold simultaneously the power button and Bluetooth button for at least 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, that should initiate the initialization process. And when the initialization is complete, the left and right ring indicators will flash 4 times. Not the ring. The power indicator will flash 4 times, indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set them up as a new set of earphones.